Welcome back to our art series for engineering and science. Today we will connect probability to R by working with discrete and continuous random variables, focusing on the binomial and Poisson distributions. Then we will do a practical demo loading a data file called quiz2.csv. First, I will show you how to find the binomial probability distribution of probability using R. This is the R code we will use to. So I have provided you the coding with your quiz too. So you have to do this only cut and paste all the codes to your R console. So you will see that is I introduce here three new functions. D binomial, that's mean densities of binomial we can calculate using these functions, and probabilities of binomial we can calculate from this function, and also randomized binomial function. That's mean if you want to simulate the variables as distributed the normal distribution, you can use the R binomial this function. So first I want to cut and paste all the code to the console. Now I am going to copy the R coding to my R console. So first, this is our question 1, all the code for coding for question number 1. I will copy here and paste to the R console. Then you can run one by one or as a bunch, but I will do one by one the inline codings. So control enter, you will see this running. You can see this. That's mean this is calculated the density of binomial function. Control L. This is calculations for next function. So if you want to do the simulation, that's mean random behavior as binomial distribution variables. So we can run the simulation code. We see that the mean we can count as this functions. Generally, in our R to calculate the probabilities, we use the functions like this. This is the all of this as a one command. Then we have to go to the end of the command line. Just enter. You will see that is the all the probability simulated, and also it's showing here binomial histogram. Now we ran the questions one codes. So in same way, you can run the all the codes for the other questions too. This is questions two. I can go to the question 3. It is exponential example. That's mean we are finding the probability for the Poisson distribution. So same way you can copy and paste to the console, and you can one by one you can run the code. So then I'm not going through the every code how to run it the same way, you can repeat it, but I want to show you especially for the question number 5, because I attach the quiz 2 data set. So when you run the code you have to specify the path correctly in order to get to run your codes for the question number 5. Now I'm going to show you how to run the codes for question to create the data histogram. So in order to do that, generally what we do, we can copy the code same as you did previously, copy and paste here. But I like to, before paste this question, I will clean this of the code. And here control N to clean the console, and here also I will clean, here clean too. So I will paste here. So when you are going to run one by one, see what's going to happen. So if you control enter, so you will see that it's in here cannot open the connection. That's mean in R can't recognize the quiz 2 data. Where is that path? That's mean no such file or directory. In this, if you directly, if you run this code, this will happen. That's mean you had to assign the correct directory to this space in order to correctly run these codes. So I will suggest even you can do this one as the beginning of the projects. It's better to create the directory for your environment. So let's see the my quiz 2. I'm going to upload it to the one directory first. So in here, this is my quiz 2 I downloaded. Assume I cut and copy to the one directory place. Cut Control X. Then I will make this is my folder I'm using for teachings 312. So assume I will make the folder quiz 2. Then inside the folder, I can save my quiz 2 dataset. So then this directory, it's I need to specify to this working environment. How we can do that? First, I will get copy and I will go to the file and new file, new projects, then create the new directory, new projects. Then you can make the new projects the name as, or you can give the directory here like previously we get the cut and copy. You can cut and copy the, or browse. You can browse the your folder. It was my folder was inside this and this quiz 2. This is, you can open it, then you can give the new directory name, or this is working project, then you can create it. So that's mean we make the new working directory in order to do the your projects. Then you will say that it's my file. If you correctly include your quiz to data, it should appear here. But we can't say that. That's mean we have to copy its quiz to data to this directory. So I will do this. It was quiz 2. I will drag and paste to here. Then you will see that it's our project directory. It will appear the quiz 2 data. So it should be showing here too. That's mean this is making sure that it's your data, quiz 2 data, it's on your projects directory. So then when you run the coding, you can run the but via expectation as to create the histogram. So let's get the script, new file script. I can I'm sorry. I can paste my coding here now. Copy and paste. So let's now we can do one by one. It's run running the code. So first one, control enter. Then it's I think I did something wrong. Else you will see that it won't appear any errors. That's mean quiz 2 data CSV it's directed properly to the working project environment. So then in order to find the mean, variance and standard deviation, this is the functions. D mean first our data set we assign this is assigning symbol to the data file to the R data file. So then you can control enter. Then you will see that if you want to see the data, you can appear then. But our goal to find the mean, variance, and standard deviation. Control enter. Oh, you will see that all the calculations pop up. And also, in order to see the histogram, you can go to the last command line. Just control enter. You will see that this is a histogram for the data set, and also you will see the density curve for the data which I stored to quiz 2 dataset CSV file. This is the I directly get from the Nasdaq system through data for the Apple stocks daily Apple stocks data. So I believe now you can run the program without the any errors. But if you get errors, I think it's you have 2 days. So you have to work on until the run program. Then once after calculate all the probabilities, you can submit the take home quiz too. Thank you.